All right, welcome back to the channel. We've got a crypto market update, and this is a fun one. All my other previous crypto market updates, sometimes there's been a pump, but nothing like this. So this is great to see. Bitcoin ripping, Ethereum ripping, total Bitcoin market cap ripping, and I mean, total market cap, we still got a long ways to go to all-time highs, but definitely for Bitcoin, we're getting within striking distance here. So, good to see, love to see it, but let's take a look here at the news and some of the things going on. So when we look at the news, not a whole lot of news. We still got the ETFs coming. Institutions are bullish. We had the Binance Resolution. Binance had a $4 billion fine with the SEC. What I think the big deal here is the government is cleaning out the bad actors, the people that they don't want in the space, at least in the United States. And then boom, BlackRock and Fidelity come by. Here's our product. Here's Coinbase. You know, don't use Binance, use Coinbase. So I'm all fine with all this. I think the narrative in the media, the Binance, when the deal went down, was, you know, crypto's bad, boo boo, it's all for terrorism and drug dealing. But in reality, if they weren't using crypto, they would use cash or banks. They were just using blockchains to move value around. And the great thing is you can track it and say, no, Hamas, you can't have that money. We're going to pull it back. So that's a whole nother can of worms. But that's the only big piece of news since we've last talked, besides the price action. So long term, everything's the same. Short term, everything's the same. Actually, there's some changes to be made here. There's still no use case for a lot of this crap, but you could buy low, sell high. That's the most use case for these. I do really like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think long term there's a use case for certain individuals. But most of these other coins, you're going to hear a lot of hype around gaming tokens. And I'm not opposed to trading these. But don't be a bag holder. You can bag hold Bitcoin and Ethereum because they've had multiple cycles where they go down and they come up. And they go up more than they go down over the long term. But some of these other coins, you can get caught in a bad situation. So let's go down to action items. Action items, get ready for the next bull run. Are we in one? I don't know. Maybe. I hope so. Part of me hopes we're not. I hope we get a nice big pullback so I can keep accumulating for a bigger bull run. I don't know. Self-custody or trust your exchange. Don't be on Binance, don't be on FTX. This is the most important one here. Buy red candles, don't buy big green candles. Okay, right now everything has ripped. Wait for a pullback, or if you are going to buy, nibble. Dip your toe. Don't go all in right now thinking we're going to go to 100,000 before Christmas for a Santa Claus rally. That would be a terrible Christmas. Have a plan to buy and sell. So my plan has been all the last couple years, dollar cost averaging, lump sum purchases on the big flash crashes. And when we get a nice pop, I'll trim a little bit of the lump sum, but I still have my, daily dollar cost average. But when we did hit 40,000, I did trim a third of my Bitcoin position, and that is to be put into other assets. So over the weekend, I'll be doing some homework. I'll be looking at some coins to trade. This is Trader Matt talking. Got my trader hat on. I don't recommend this to everybody. If you're going to get involved in crypto, dollar cost average, hold for the long term. I'm still doing that, but I just peeled a little bit off. And I'm going to start looking at some of the other altcoins to trade. So I want to pull this up. Again, this is for the traders. we start to see Bitcoin move, then Ethereum moves, then some of the other large coins move, and then altcoins move. Once you start hearing about Dogecoin and all the meme coins, that's when you know it's time to get your seat. The music is about to stop. That's my opinion. Do your own research. Not a financial advisor yet. You're an adult. Make your own decisions. But here's plan A, baby. MicroStrategy. They've been purchasing throughout all the ups, all the downs, all the chops, all the slop. They've been buying, and they are now sitting there with an average cost of $30,000 per Bitcoin. They are over $2.5 billion in profit on their Bitcoin purchases since 2021. That's pretty phenomenal. So you don't have to be a genius. You don't have to be Michael Burry and shorting the tops and buying the bottoms. Just dollar cost average into this asset. One last thing I want to talk about. I don't think it's a coincidence that gold also hit an all-time high while Bitcoin is also ripping. I just think there's money flowing into the markets. People are, sitting in cash. They don't want to go buy Microsoft necessarily at an all-time high. They're buying some bonds. They're locking in. They're spreading their assets around. There's been a lot of people hoarding cash, waiting for a double dip recession, waiting for terrible things, and we're just not seeing those terrible things yet. Maybe we will see them eventually. I'm sure we will eventually. But people are saying, all right, I need to get allocated to something. So Bitcoin, gold, stocks, bonds, things are looking good. So that's all I got for you guys. If you've been holding throughout this, congratulations. Again, for me, I took a little bit of profit, 1/3, but that is going to be reinvested into Ethereum. I'll move that to Uniswap, and I'll probably trade around some of these altcoins. But again, I'm here for the long term. The trading is for fun and to just grow my bags a little bit so I can reinvest it into some more Bitcoin when we get the next dip. Because right now, I'm doing my dollar cost average, but I'm not really lump summing into Bitcoin unless we get a dip. I'm looking at Ethereum, like I mentioned. I'm looking at Ethereum. I think Ethereum will have a little bit of catch up to do. Maybe we get up to 2,500, maybe 3,000. I don't know. Maybe we get another nice little dip here, back down to 2,000. That'd be phenomenal. But I've been rambling enough. Congratulations. Santa has come and pumped our bags. That's all I got for you guys. Crypto market update. Peace out. Stay safe. Don't do anything dumb. Avoid leverage. Not your keys, not your coins. Be responsible. That's all I got. Peace out.